Hi friends, welcome to Joy Samail. Today we'll be seeing how to prepare a very soft chapati and a secret ingredient for that. A secret ingredient is sesame oil. Just 2 tablespoons of that will give you fluffy chapatis or rotis. I have taken around 3 cups of wheat flour. It will give you around 10 to 12 chapatis. I'm just adding half tablespoon of salt to that and mix the wheat flour and salt evenly so that it blends. Just keep a glass of water beside you. Initially, you will be using a half glass of water. Now, after the salt and the wheat flour is blended, I am using half glass of water and mixing the wheat flour evenly. Now, when we give little pressure and we mix the wheat flour with water, evenly the dough gets ready slowly. After this, do not pour water in the wheat flour. We will be just sprinkling the water from now onwards. So once the wheat flour and water is blended, further we will be sprinkling the water to make it a fine dough. It will hardly take 10 minutes to make this dough ready. Give some pressure and press it. Give pressure evenly in all the sides so that you get a very soft and fluffy chapati. I'm sprinkling a little more water to make it as a dough. And now when we get into this texture, we are ready to pour 2 tablespoons of oil and give some pressure still and press and keep it aside for 1 hour. As much as pressure you give, you will be getting a very soft chapati. So now how do you find your chapati dough is ready? So once your texture comes to this stage, just try to insert a finger and see if it just goes inside very smoothly, then your texture is correct. And furthermore, with the oil, the chapatis will be still more soft. So our chapati dough is ready. Now at this stage, we will be closing with this with a lid for 1 hour and we'll be leaving it. After 1 hour, you can take the chapati and prepare it. So 1 hour is over. So I'm taking the dough and taking the dough into very small balls. I'm taking out 2-3 chapatis to prepare it. Take it in a medium size so that it comes well. Now dust it with the wheat flour and start kneading it. So I'm taking one chapati now and I'm trying to roll it out. Roll it out as so that it is even in all the sides so that it will come very fluffy and soft. So I'm preparing the first chapati roll now. See the texture, it's very soft. You'll be knowing now itself how the outcome will be. Now start taking a roll and press it out and flatten the chapati evenly in all the sides. Give pressure gently and flip to other side and give pressure gently so it will not be very sticky to the board. I have made 2 chapatis ready. Now we will keep a pan and on the stove. Once it is heated, we will be placing this chapati over it and turn to both the sides so that chapati gets cooked on both the sides evenly. After 1 minute, you can just add 1 tablespoon of oil around the chapati so that it gives more softness to it and the fluffiness comes out. Wow, so soft chapatis are getting ready. You would definitely like this chapati. It will be very soft. You can have it with a paneer gravy or a veg gravy, or even you can do a paneer roll. The kids will like it very much. Now almost our chapati is ready, soft and fluffy chapati. When you serve it hot, it will be very tasty and fluffy. I hope you like it, and this is my first video in English. So if there are any mistakes, please do ignore it. So our 2 chapatis are ready and I'm serving these 2 softy chapatis with a veg kurma, which will be very tasty with this. You can serve it with any side dish, non-veg or veg gravies. It will be very apt. If you like this recipe, do like my channel, subscribe it and comment it. Thank you so much for your support.